Introducing the NETGEAR WAX12 access point, featuring superior Wi-Fi 6 Release 2 technology, enabling support for next-generation Wi-Fi 6 smartphones, network-connected devices, and notebook computers. This dual-band standalone access point delivers up to 4.2 gigabits per second of Wi-Fi throughput, made possible by a 160 MHz wide channel on the 5 GHz band, delivering 100% more throughput than the previous release of Wi-Fi 6. Plus, maximize your speed and simplify your power with a fast 2.5 gigabits per second Power over Ethernet port. And now, your setup time can be just as fast as your Wi-Fi. As part of the NETGEAR Business Essentials line of standalone access points, the WAX220 configuration can take as little as 10 minutes. Ideal for the business owner who wants a self-managed, fast, easy-to-set-up Wi-Fi solution on a budget. The NETGEAR WAX220 Wi-Fi 6 dual-band access point with multi-gig PoE.
Welcome to UniFi 6. In this video, we will compare the 4 UniFi 6 models of our ceiling mount form factor: the U6 Lite, Long Range, Professional, and Enterprise. The UniFi 6 Lite is a great, cost-effective way to add high-speed Wi-Fi to your home network. Ultra-compact form factor, powered by standard PoE, and capable of 1.5 gigabits per second over-the-air speeds. For wider coverage in less dense deployments, the UniFi 6 Long Range is powered by PoE Plus and features 4-stream Wi-Fi 6, capable of 2.7 gigabits per second over-the-air speeds, and longer link distances thanks to its innovative antenna design. The UniFi 6 Professional is designed for higher client density. Powered by PoE Plus, it delivers 4-stream Wi-Fi 6, capable of reaching 5.3 gigabits per second over-the-air speeds. For the most demanding deployments, the UniFi 6 Enterprise is our highest performing AP, designed to take advantage of Wi-Fi 6E speeds. With an additional dedicated 6 GHz radio, it can achieve over 10 gigabits per second combined over-the-air throughput rates. The PoE Plus LAN port has also been upgraded to 2.5 gigabit Ethernet and is optimally paired with our high-capacity 2.5 gigabit Ethernet enterprise PoE switches. In addition to ceiling-mounted, UniFi 6 will also be available in versatile indoor-outdoor form factors. The U6 Mesh is the best for flexible deployments, indoors or out. The U6 In-Wall transforms an Ethernet wall outlet into a 4-port gigabit switch with a PoE port that can power your UniFi device, best suited for hotel and hospitality deployments. And the U6 Extender is a plug-and-play mesh AP, perfect for anywhere PoE may be difficult to access. All U6 APs support Bluetooth Low Energy for plug-and-play connectivity with UniFi IoT devices, including sensors and door locks. With the UniFi Network app, U6 APs are automatically detected and quickly added to your deployment. Plan out and visualize the perfect UniFi 6 deployment with UniFi Design Center. And with the Signal Mapper feature for Wi-Fi Man, you can quickly create a signal map of your entire space, making it easier than ever to spot Wi-Fi dead zones. No matter the location or environment, U6 access points offer a fully scalable and customizable solution for your deployment.
High-speed wireless connectivity is a key requirement for every organization, both to support wireless users and to manage the continually expanding number of wireless-enabled devices. But organizations can't afford to sacrifice security or ease of management for easy access. SonicWall's SonicWave 600 series access points combine advanced wireless performance, best-in-class security, and intuitive, cloud-based management through SonicWall Wireless Network Manager. SonicWave 600 series access points feature 802.11ax technology for superior performance in complex multi-user environments. 802.11ax supports the 2.4 and 5 GHz bands while reducing latency by 75%. And 1024 QAM technology provides up to 4 times the data throughput compared to 802.11ac Wave 2, so you can support more concurrently connected users and devices. Beamforming allows for a faster, more reliable connection, while target wake time management helps wireless devices significantly conserve battery life. And SonicWave wireless access points feature a third radio dedicated to performing rogue AP detection, passive scanning, and packet capture. Registration of SonicWave access points is easy using zero-touch deployment and the SonicWall Sonic Express mobile app, while the SonicWall Wi-Fi Planner helps you design and deploy the optimal wireless network for your environment. And integration with SonicWall Wireless Network Manager lets you centrally manage your network through an intuitive cloud-based dashboard. The SonicWave 600 series access points enable you to support today's complex multi-user environments while still maintaining the highest levels of security, and do it all through easier deployment and management.
Introducing the NETGEAR WAX214 Wi-Fi 6 AX1800 PoE wireless access point, delivering high-performance Wi-Fi for business or home office locations. Engineered with the latest in Wi-Fi 6 technology, providing increased performance, coverage, and security to keep your small business, employees, guests, and customers connected. Designed with PoE for easy installation. Connect to your PoE switch with a single Ethernet cable, without complicated wiring or professional installation. With versatile mounting options, it's easy to install on a wall or ceiling. And the compact size gives you the option to just place it on top of a desk. Easy to set up and easy to manage locally. Ideal for retail showrooms, lobbies, waiting areas, professional offices, and more. Improve speed, coverage, and device density with a convenient and cost-effective Wi-Fi 6 PoE solution. The NETGEAR WAX214 Wi-Fi 6 AX1800 PoE wireless access point. Introducing the next generation of business Wi-Fi 6 access points. Offering higher speed, higher device density, and increased Wi-Fi coverage to small businesses. Featuring the latest and fastest Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax technology, Insight centralized remote cloud management, multi-gigabit connection, and more. Each of these access points provides up to 40% higher throughput and 4 times more device connection capacity than previous generations. They are ideal for many verticals, such as education, healthcare, manufacturing, and more. They are compatible with the NETGEAR Wi-Fi 5 Insight managed access points and can be meshed together. The WAX610 is a dual-band access point, ideal for small businesses looking for a cost-effective solution with a quick and easy setup. The WAX620 is a dual-band access point with double the speed of WAX610. It empowers businesses to provide more network reliability and greater enhanced security features. And the WAX630 is the ultimate business-grade tri-band 4x4 Wi-Fi 6 wireless access point, featuring superior density and coverage. Perfect for schools, hotels, restaurants, and conference centers. A family of devices to meet the connectivity needs of any business. The next generation of business Wi-Fi 6 remote managed access points.